The disturbing history of Coca-Cola. The early beginnings of Coca-Cola is a patent medicine in the 1800s, created by John Pemberton. Coca-Cola's marketing strategy, and how it pioneered many marketing tactics that are commonplace today. How Coca-Cola profited from war, and how Coke managed to expand globally so rapidly, and create Fanta in the process. Coca-Cola, a name synonymous with refreshing and bubbly drinks, has a disturbing history behind its sugary facade. What started as a dubious patent medicine in the late 19th century became a global phenomenon. The concoction, claiming to cure various ailments, included cocaine and caffeine. Although the cocaine was eventually removed, the brand's questionable origins cannot be forgotten. Coca-Cola's success can be attributed to the unparalleled marketing genius of Asa Candler. He transformed the beverage into a symbol of American culture, associating it with family, happiness, and even Santa Claus. Embracing innovative advertising techniques, such as the iconic red and white logo, Candler ensured that Coke became deeply ingrained in the public consciousness. But Coca-Cola's dark side extends beyond its early days. During World War II, the company cunningly capitalized on the conflict. It struck deals with the U.S. government, ensuring that Coca-Cola was readily available to American soldiers at special rates. This not only boosted morale, but also cemented the brand's presence globally. The disturbing past of Coca-Cola serves as a reminder that seemingly innocent products can be rooted in deception and exploitation. Despite its uncomfortable origins, Coca-Cola has undeniably become a cultural phenomenon. With its refreshing taste and smart marketing capturing the hearts and taste buds of millions worldwide. However, it is crucial to look beyond the fizz and examine the disturbing history that lies beneath the surface.